Mama Ponzi, this is getting out of hand. The way you barge into my room, invading my privacy, is it because you are my landlady? So landlady does not knock on the door of her tenant before entering. Please, before people in this compound will start saying that me and you we are doing something. This is almost 12 midnight. You are inside my apartment. How may I help you?
The online business that you introduced me to. Yesterday, we lost money. I lost money yesterday. That is what I said I should come and tell you.
Okay, but you have been making money since, right?
Yes, but yesterday, everybody lost money. So that is why I am here.
Oh, so all the days you have been making money, I did not hear from you. You did not send me recharge card. You did not send me money. Nothing. Now that you lost, you came to me. To come and do what exactly? How may I help you?
70 years old man.
You are the one always telling me to leave Ponzi scheme. Now, the legitimate one that you have brought to me now. I lost money yesterday. I thought you said it is legit. So how come did I lose money?
This is why I hate to refer people with Ponzi mentality to something legitimate. Hello? Because Ponzi has eaten deep into the deepest fabric of your life. You have Ponzi in your blood. Hello? Was it not you and I that Mr. OK, the chemist man that lives next door, was telling about his experience when he started drug retail business? He stocked up his shop with too many medications, and because of low sales, he could not sell them off before their expiry dates. All those medications expired in his chemist and he lost money. Please, is chemist business also a Ponzi scheme? Or did you not hear about Usman, whose rice farm was flooded and he lost money as a result of the flood on his rice farm? Is rice farming also a Ponzi scheme? I have lived in this your compound for a while and you know a few things about me. Are you not aware that I had a barber shop on the next street? Are you not aware? What happened to that my barber shop?
You said that it was an electrical fire. That your neighbors left on their electrical appliances and closed the shop and went home. So when they brought light now, the thing now sparked electrical fire that consumed all the shops in that complex. I heard about it, my brother.
Sorry.
Now that barbershop business did not favor me and I lost money, does it mean that barbershop business is a Ponzi scheme? Mama, you need to realize that you can lose money even in a legitimate business. The fact that I referred you to a business and I told you that it's not a scam does not mean that your money is safe. Risk and reward, they both go together. Any business that is capable of giving you high rewards is also exposing you to high risk at the same time. That is why I always say, invest only what you can afford to lose. When you lose money legitimately, you sleep well at night knowing that, okay, as a result of circumstances beyond the control of the business or the forces of demand and supply in the market, that was why you lost money. It is an injury. But when you lose money, knowing that you were swindled, knowing that you were scammed, knowing that your money went into the pocket of a fellow guy, man or babe, there is insult on top of that injury. Hello? Me, I will not be able to sleep at night. But knowing that I lost money as a result of demand and supply, circumstances beyond my control or beyond the control of the business, I am always relaxed knowing that I'll go another day. This business I introduced you to, you have been making money since. You did not remember me. Today that you lost money, you walked into my apartment few minutes to midnight to complain. Why are you people like this? Show me one business where you make profit every day 24/7 forever and there will be no days where you will make some losses. It is only Ponzi schemes that tell you you make so and so percentage per day forever. It is not possible in the real world. You will win some and you will lose some. We're just looking to achieve more winning days than losing days. But losses are always present even in legitimate businesses. Some of the richest men in the world, if they sit you down and tell you how much they have lost in their past business ventures legitimately, you will almost cry. So Mama Ponzi, ultimately, I tell you all the time, I'm not your financial advisor now. I'm not your financial advisor. You cannot hold me responsible when I advise you and you follow the advice. Hello? You follow the advice because you have done your own research. You are an adult. There's always a disclaimer when it comes to any opportunity. Do your own due diligence at all times. Invest only what you can afford to lose. So why are you coming into my apartment at midnight? You want people to start suspecting that me and you were doing something. Please leave my apartment. State why you are here and leave immediately, Mama. I want to sleep.
They have left you behind.
So what is now wrong with you? What are you feeling like? I just came to tell you now to share some of your bonuses with me. You know those bonuses were given to you by we, your downlines. So share some of the bonuses with me.
Wow. Okay, now I know why you are here. Okay, so you came in with $100 package, right?
Yes, and you got 20% of that, $20.
Okay, when you came in with $100 package, I got $20. Okay, your package now reduced to $80, right?
Jesus!
No, now what are you saying? My package is $100. It remains $100 now.
I am too much.
Meaning the bonus that I got did not reduce your package in any way. The exact value you paid for was what you got, right?
Yes.
You see, that means you, the downline, did not give me, your upline, any bonus or any money, because what you paid for was what the company gave to you. The company only compensated your upline for bringing somebody into the business. It is not the downline that pays the upline bonuses. It is the company that pays the upline bonuses. So all this entitlement mentality of some downlines, it's so sickening. You walk into my apartment few minutes to midnight to come and demand for a bonus that I got for doing my job as a network marketer. Hello? Most of you downlines are just outright lazy. You cannot do what your upline is doing. You are feeling too ashamed or too big to promote the business. Yet your eyes did the bonus. Remove your eyes.
Jesus!
Are you aware that when you go to open a bank account and you deposit money into it, that a marketer gets a bonus as part of his or her salary at the end of the month? So Mama, I'm telling you now, go to your bank. Go and ask them for the marketer in charge of your bank account. Tell them to give you his or her house address. Go there by 12 midnight to go and ask the person to give you part of their salary because of the bonus that they got when you opened your account. If they don't catch you as a thief that night, call me a bastard. Nonsense. Entitlement mentality. If you like the bonus, go and do the work now. Did I stop you? You can't create WhatsApp group. You can't preach the gospel. You can't spread the news, but you want to eat the money. Come and eat now. Nonsense.
Funke!
Mama Ponzi, let me sound a note of warning. I am a different kind of upline. Why? Because I know the game. I know that your money never came to me. The bonuses that I earned is at no extra cost to you. The investment package you bought is the investment package you got. The bonus is between me and the company. So don't come and do any kind of entitlement mentality around me. Hello? I'm not an upline that worships or begs downlines. If you do anyhow on any of my WhatsApp group, I'll throw you out. Just as I'm about to throw you out of my bedroom right now, before people will start thinking that me and you are doing something. Mama, get out of my room.
Try. See the insult that you gave to me this night. It is not your fault. Remember, your house rent expires in the next 2 days. Send me the house rent as soon as possible. If not, the next time I will come here, I will not be alone. I will come with able-bodied men who will help me throw your things out of this house. Nonsense tenant.
Hey you, hold on a bit before you register. Let it be known that all investments carry some level of risk. Victor Isibo is not a financial advisor. He is not God. He doesn't own this platform, and neither does he work for them as a staff. If you register with his link and invest, you do so at your own risk. If you make a profit, you don't have to thank him. If you make a loss, don't blame him either. Do your own research. This is a disclaimer and it is legally binding.